Hi everyone, Apple released the first public beta of iOS 17 just a few days back. And in this video I wanted to show you how to install it step by step on your iPhone or iPad. Now if we go to settings, in general, and then software update, if you're already signed up for the iOS 16 public betas or earlier, you'll already see this here and be able to install it now. This public beta is free and is available to everyone around the world at the same time. And it's available on iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, and newer. Apple dropped support for the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone X with iOS 17. So if you have one of those devices, you won't be able to install it. This is the same build as iOS 17 Beta 3 for developers and the re-release that was out. So it's the same build, just released a day later. Now the first thing you want to do is to sign up. For the beta program, go to your web browser, go to Safari, and then go to beta.apple.com or apple.com beta. Scroll down and hit sign up. Once you've signed up, you can sign in and install it now. We'll sign in and you'll see there's a guide for beta software. Now Apple has changed how they do this from last year. There is no longer a profile available, so if you scroll down, it will give you more information about it. You'll also have the option to see more iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, and watchOS as well. So you'll be able to get those. And now once you go to your software update, it will just show up under settings. So you'll have an extra option here where you can select beta updates. If we go into this, you'll see that we have the option for iOS 16 public beta. If you're a developer, you'll have all of the different options here. Now there are a few very important things you need to know before you install this. You need to have a backup, because if you're on iOS 16 and then you update to iOS 17, you won't be able to back up from iOS 17 backups. You need to use iOS 16 backups. So if you're using iCloud, it's pretty simple. Go to your settings, tap on your name at the top, scroll down, tap on iCloud, and then go to iCloud backup. Once you're on the iCloud backup screen, go ahead and tap on backup now. Make sure you have a backup before updating to iOS 17. Now you may need more iCloud storage, and if you don't have that, you can make a purchase here, or you can use a computer and backup there as well. Whether it's Windows using iTunes or a Mac, plug it into the Mac and then you can tap on backup. Now under Finder, make sure you select encrypted. It will restore all of the information using different passwords and more that will actually help you to get all of that information back and limit the amount of things you actually need to update. And you can enter your username and password. Once you've completed the backup, go into your settings, go to general, software update, make sure you've selected public beta. Give it a moment, then go ahead and update. Download and install. It will ask for the password, enter that, and it will start downloading. Once iOS 17 is installed, you'll have all the new features with interactive widgets. There are quite a few updates to music and much more. However, if you're wondering if you should install iOS 17 public beta, well, there's a few things to be aware of. First, you won't be able to downgrade from iOS 17 to iOS 16 without using a Mac or Windows computer. You need a computer to downgrade, and that's a step-by-step process. Also be aware that if you decide to install watchOS 10 Beta 1 or Public Beta 1, you will not be able to communicate with your phone if you decide to downgrade from iOS 17 to iOS 16, so you may want to hold off for that. iOS 17 public beta and the developer beta. Signing up for the developer beta at developer.apple.com. If you haven't subscribed already, do it right away. And if you like this video, give this video a big like. And let me know which iOS version is your phone currently running on in the comments section. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time in a new tech video.